Oh, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year 2023. This is the first video of 2023 and it's a cooking video. So I was scrolling through Instagram the other day looking at food videos and I came across a video that is near and dear to my heart because it's two great things. Jalapeno poppers, lumpia. It's by a guy named Tony Ramirez. His channel will be down in the description. But I saw this and I thought it looked so good that I wanted to try it on my own channel and give it a shot. We're making what he calls Dynamite Lumpia, which is essentially a jalapeno popper wrapped in lumpia wrapper fried. It's gonna be good, so let's do that. And also, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button down there and subscribing if you haven't already. It wouldn't hurt you. It'll only make my channel grow better and stronger and greater in this new year. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop our bacon into the air fryer because we need it crispy. We're putting everything together in a bowl. Everywhere. Bacon's done. So, we got jalapenos, we got cheese, we got some fat-free cream cheese over here. We got ourselves some Cajun two-step here. This is quality. They sell it at Walmart. Grab yourself a little bowl. To make these keep their stems, because that's part of the dynamite thing, he just cut it to the side. Down the middle like that. So you're basically gonna scoop this out and then put this back on top, wrap it up, looks like dynamite. So to keep that stem, that's what you gotta do. So we gotta scoop out all the innards to make room for the cream cheese, which by the way, I was reading through the comments on the guy's video, Tony Ramirez, and people were like, don't cut the seeds out, it keeps all the heat. How am I gonna put cream cheese in this if I don't cut the seeds out? What are you guys, dumb? But to fix all this and make everybody happy, we're gonna spoon this out, save the seeds and the membrane on the inside. We're gonna chop it up and put it in our cream cheese mixture, and that'll keep the heat. All right, everybody happy? Cool. So I'm just gonna take a spoon like this, scoop all this out, like carving a pumpkin. Don't destroy the jalapeno like I just did. Do both sides here. So, quick tip, when you're cutting all the stuff out of these jalapenos, try not to lose its partner, its other half, or you're gonna have to spend time matching them up to find it, because that's what we just did. But we have all the insides on the membrane, the spicy stuff. We're gonna chop these up. Just gonna get them roughly a little bit smaller, just a little bit. And of course, if you don't like spicy stuff, just throw this stuff away. But I like spicy stuff, and I'm trying to make the trolls on the internet happy for some reason. Just trying to show you guys there is a way. Throw this in our bowl. And look how good air fried bacon looks. It looks fantastic. Chop all this up now. You can't leave the bacon out, so we're just gonna add it to the mix. I have to grade the cheese because I didn't get shredded cheese in a bag like a smart boy. So we're grading the cheese. Fat-free cream cheese. Got our cheese. We're throwing it all in. Bacon. Then we're gonna throw in our little two-step, little Cajun seasoning. I think that's what he put on it. If not, this is what I'm putting on it. Mash this bad boy up. That looks good enough to me. That looks mixed up. Why not? Yeah, it tastes like cheese. I'm only putting these on because they're cool. Okay, so now we're just gonna fill them up and grab the bigger side and fill this bad boy up. Looks good to me. And there you go. I guess you could put some there. We can add a little bit more. There's a lot of filling here. That's cool. And then we're gonna wrap these so you don't have to worry about the cheese coming out. Cool, look at that, a jalapeno popper. There we go. There's so much filling left, by the way, so I'm probably just gonna maybe wrap up just some egg roll wrappers with the filling and see how that cooks out. All right, now we gotta wrap these in egg roll wrappers or lumpia wrappers, whatever you wanna call spring roll wrappers. You can get these in your grocery store. They're normally in the produce department. Let me separate these bad boys. What you want a little bowl of water with you while you're doing it. All right, you're gonna take a corner like this, bow, fold that over just like that into a little Superman symbol. Then you're gonna take your jalap, put that, make sure that lines up with the little stem. Then you're gonna put this side up on that. Then you're just gonna roll it on over. like so. And then once you get to this part, take a little dip of water, put a little water on the edge there so it sticks, and guess what? You got a little dynamite lumpia looking thing. Doesn't it look like a stick of dynamite? Look at it. Dynamite right there. Keep going. We're gonna keep going. We'll fold this bad boy down. A little water. And there you have it. 6 of these jalapeno dynamite lumpias. All right, I'm just gonna make one out of the filling because we have some left. Of course it's gonna be good. It's cheese, bacon, and jalapenos. Oh, bring that back. We're gonna burrito wrap her up. Ooh, just a cheese egg roll. All right, we're just gonna pan fry this with a little bit of canola. Now, we're gonna drop them in right on the seal so it seals it up. Oh yeah, she's looking right. And as it turns out, these are egg roll wrappers, not lumpia wrappers, so it is what it is. There we go. Look at that bad boy. She's looking good. Same thing with this. That's a dynamite egg roll if I've ever seen it. We made them. It's the Dynamite Lumpia, but they're egg rolls because I got egg roll wrappers instead of lumpia wrappers. My mistake, but it's probably still gonna be great. As you can tell, they look fantastic, and they didn't take long at all. Probably just a couple minutes on each side. So we're gonna try one out. I want this one. Banging. Look at that. What I think it needs, because it is obviously delicious, it's a fried jalapeno popper with a wrapper on it. It's great. But the problem is it needs to cook longer because the jalapeno is still kind of not raw, but it just needs to cook longer. But the cheese and everything is melted on the inside, so that's really good. Not mad at that aspect. Let me see. Ultimately, amazing. Now, we're the test kitchen, all right? We air fried one. So there's a difference between a fried one and an air fried one. This one looks a little nuts, but it is actually softer. So I'm gonna give this weird one a taste. Maybe I'll throw these bad boys in the air fryer. It'll cook it all the way through for me. Yup, that's not bad. That's pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna throw these. I'm gonna say a tip. We're throwing them in the air fryer after they're done being fried because the inside needs to be, the jalapeno itself needs to be cooked a little bit more, kind of like this one. This one is a little bit more raw than this one. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so they're coming out of the air fryer. And you know those little test ones we did? Oh, there it is. The little test egg rolls we made with the cheese and stuff. Turns out, don't do it because they break open and then all that cheese goes into your fryer oil and starts losing it. So just don't. But these just came out of the air fryer. Got a little ranch. I feel like jalapeno poppers usually come out with some ranch whenever you get them. So it needs something to be dipped in. Let's try this again. Hopefully it's not so hot I die. Here we go. Yeah, that's better. They just need to be cooked a little bit longer, that's all. But look at that. That is delicious. I may as well try the one with, ow, it's so hot. This one is obnoxiously hot because it's all just molten lava and cheese. Oh God, oh God. I'm still gonna eat it though, watch. Oh, what?
Did you just spit it out?
I did, it was too hot. So anyway, yeah, these are, now we're calling them Dynamite egg rolls because I can't call this lumpia, but they're egg rolls and they are really good. It tastes like a sick jalapeno popper with a wrapping around it. No one's mad at that. Know what's coming up soon? Super Bowl. From this moment on, Super Bowl is like a month away. So make these for your friends, impress them, be the coolest person at the party. Make these bad boys. Anyway, this has been the first episode of 2023 of, let's just call it Test Kitchen. I like that. The Test Kitchen. Thank you so much to Tony Ramirez because this is a cool idea and I felt like he came up with it. Again, his links are going to be down in my description just in case you want to see his original video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. Make these because they're real neat. Goodbye.